Hi, my name is Ayanna. I am the owner of Ayanna Denise Skin. I am here to educate you on your skin and treat your skin to something really special with some very nourishing ingredients. Thank you for joining me, and let's get started. Today we are going to make a coffee scrub. Coffee is packed with antioxidants. The second component that we're going to use today is oil. Sunflower oil is really my go-to because it is packed with vitamin E. Okay, so let's go ahead and measure out half a cup of our dry coffee. The next step we're going to do is add our sunflower oil to our actual coffee grounds. And we're just gonna dump that in there. Now we're just going to mix the oil and the coffee grounds together. So I use half cup coffee grounds and half cup oil, maybe a little bit less. Now we want to store the rest of this actual coffee scrub into the jar. Great thing about the coffee scrub is it lasts for a very long time. There's no water in this. It's not going to get too condensed or anything like that over time. So I have about 1 tablespoon of this coffee scrub that I'm going to use on my hand. And take your time with it. Like, really take your time. Don't rush through it. If you're ready to rinse it off, let's go ahead and do it. I feel like I just took off a layer of dead skin, which I did technically. Thank you so much for joining me. I had a great time making this coffee scrub today with you. My name is Ayanna, and I am the owner of Ayanna Denise Skin. Thank you.